Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today, our topic name is telling the time from page number 38. First of all, before we start the questions from the book, I am going to explain you some of the examples. What is the example? 1. Change these 12 hours clock times to 24 hours clock time. So how to convert 7:45 a.m. You know that in a 12 hours clock there is am and pm. There is am and pm. So 7:45 a.m. Whenever the am, no need to change, write it as it is. So 7:45, that's it. In a 24 hours clock there is no am and pm. Here also 11:23 am. So whenever am, write it as it is, no need to change anything, just remove am, that's it. So 11:23, but here now 2:12 pm. So whenever it is pm means it is second half. I told you the 24 hours clock, it is divided into two parts. Here is the 12, here is the 12, right? So first 12 finish means the second half start from the pm. So whenever it's pm, just add 12. So whenever add 12, 12 hours, that means add to the hours, not minutes. So this is the minutes. So 2 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So the answer is 14:12. 14:12. Don't write it pm or am in 24 hours clock. Now 6:54 pm. So pm means, again if it is pm, just add 12. So 4 and here is the 5. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1. So it is 18:54. 18:54. Don't write it am or pm in answer. Now the second one is change these 24 hours clock times to 12 hours clock time. So that means now this is 12 hours to 24 hours and this is 24 hours to 12 hours. So 8:35. So 8:35 means there is no AM or PM, but 8 means what? It is less than 12. So less than 12 means write it as it is. If it is less than 12, write it as it is, 8:35 AM. That's it. Because in 12 hours clock, we should write AM or PM. Next is 10:40. So 10:40 AM. 10:40 because again it is less than 12. But here 15:25. 15:25 means it is more than 12. So whenever it is more than 12, subtract 12. So subtract 12 to the hours. So 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 3:25 pm. So in a 12 hours clock, you should write it pm. When you write it pm, if it is more than 12. Here also 21:16, that means 21 minus 12. 6 minus 0 is 6, 1 minus 0 is 1, but here 1 minus 2 not possible to subtract, so carry. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 0, so 9:16 pm. 9:16 pm. Now coming to the question number 1. There are the numbers 1085. Use these digits to make the earliest time in the day on a 24 hours clock. Earliest time is the day starts. The day starts from what? Midnight. You have to explain the day starts from 000. All are 0. So the first one is what? 01 we have. So 0158. That means 1:58 am in the midnight. So we have no need to write am and pm because this is 24 hours clock. Okay, the day starts from what? 00. Last class where I explained you, the day starts from all are 0 because this is midnight. Understand? This is midnight, so it is 1:58. That means that midnight 1:50. This is the earliest time, latest time. The late, which is the late possible here? 24 hours clock. We don't have two number but 18. 18 means what? It is in the evening. So 18:50. The latest time is 18:50. Okay. Now coming to the question number 2. So question number 2, A and B is your homework. A and B is your homework. So this is question number C. 4 p.m. So p.m. means I told you this is 20. This is last clock. We have to change to the 24 hours clock. Whenever you want to change to the 24 hours clock, you should add 12. So whenever I add 12, this is 4 0. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1. 16 4. Then next one 5:45 a.m. a.m. means no need to change anything. Just remove the a.m. and write it as it is. Now coming to question number A. 11:53 p.m. So 11:53 p.m. means you should add 12. So 3 and 5. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 1 is 2. That means 23:50. That means night 11:53 p.m. Understand? That means 23:53. Now 7:28 p.m. Again p.m. means you should add 12. Whenever in the p.m. you should add 12. So 8, 2, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1. So 19:28. Now this is 12:32 p.m. So what is 12:32 p.m.? We have now midnight. Midnight is 12 o'clock and afternoon 12 o'clock. So afternoon 12 o'clock only, then only we start p.m. But we are normally if p.m. means we are adding If I add here 12, it changes to 24. How it's possible? It's more than 24 because already it is 12:32. If I add one more 12, it is going to 32 and 24. How it's possible in one day more than 24 hours? So it's no need to add, just remove the pm. 12:32 because it's the afternoon. Okay, the second half starts. Now the next one is 12:16 a.m. It's not possible 12:16 a.m. because it is in the midnight. A.m. means 12:32, p.m. means afternoon, 12:16 a.m. means the day starts. The new day starts means you can subtract here or you can add 00. If you want, you can subtract here. So 12:16 and minus 12. So it is what happened here. So this is will be 16 and it is the 00. So 16 minutes only. The new day starts. So your homework is page number 38, question number 2, A and B. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in next class. Thank you.